And a federal judge has put a temporary block on U.S. President Donald Trump's attempt to restrict birthright citizenship.
The ruling imposed a 14-day stay on the enforcement of one of the most controversial executive orders Trump has signed in the hours after he was sworn into office for a second term.
Now, a U.S. district judge was reported as saying during the hearing in Washington state that this is a blatantly unconstitutional order. I've been on the bench for over 4 decades. I can't remember another case where the question presented is as clear as this is.
We are thrilled that the court saw the seriousness and the urgency of the complaints and request for a temporary restraining order brought by the state of Washington, Oregon, Arizona, and Illinois, and are thrilled that the judge issued a temporary restraining order directing the United States government to take no further action in enforcing and implementing the unconstitutional and un-American executive order attempting to eliminate birthright citizenship in America. This is step one, but to hear the judge from the bench say that in his 40 years as a judge, he has never seen something so blatantly unconstitutional sets the tone for the seriousness of this effort.
Now, the ruling comes after a flurry of lawsuits filed by 22 states, 2 cities and numerous civic rights groups. It was hailed by states that took part in the legal actions. Trump told reporters his administration would appeal the ruling, while the Department of Justice said it would defend the executive order, presenting a full merits argument to the court.
Birthright citizenship is enshrined in the U.S. Constitution under the 14th Amendment, which mandates that anyone born on U.S. soil is a citizen. Now, Trump's order was premised on the idea that anyone in the U.S. illegally or on visa was not subject to the jurisdiction of the country and therefore excluded from this category.
Meanwhile, U.S. President Trump ordered the declassification of the list secret files on the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, a case that still fuels conspiracy theories more than 60 years after his death. Trump signed an executive order that will also release documents on the 1960s assassinations of John F. Kennedy's younger brother, Robert F. Kennedy, and civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr.
Now, Trump told reporters as he signed the order in the Oval Office of the White House that everything will be revealed.
I think that's a big one, huh? A lot of people are waiting for this for years, for decades. And everything will be revealed.
Trump had previously promised to release the last of the files most recently at his inauguration on Monday.